Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday kicked off world's largest COVID-19 vaccination drive as India began massive vaccination drive across the country. 51st International Film Festival of India begins, albeit in hybrid format and under the shadow of coronavirus. 224 films to be screened, 15 of which will compete for the Golden Peacock Award. Goa celebrates Feast of St. Josephus under the shadow of the coronavirus with SOPs being followed. And now for the details. Sound, Lights, Action. The 51st edition of International Film Festival of India kicked off on Saturday, albeit in a slightly low-key manner. This edition of IFFI is being held under the shadow of the coronavirus and was in a hybrid format, online and offline. The festival was inaugurated by the Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Prakash Javadekar, and actor-producer-director Sudeep Sanjeev. Cinematographer Vittorio Storaro has been selected to receive the Lifetime Achievement Award, and Bangladesh is this year's country of focus.
This IFFI, the event, despite the travel restrictions and ban, will have celebrated film directors from world cinema including Argentina, Pablo Cesar, Prasanna Wangahate from Sri Lanka, Abu Bakr Swakshi of Australia, Priyadarshan and Rubaiyat Hossain of Bangladesh. A total of 224 films will be screened under different sections at the 51st edition, 15 of which will compete for the Golden Peacock Award.
Our country focus this year is a neighboring country, the Bangladesh. We have the great confluence on the filmmakers and enthusiasts from across the world, thereby making the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the Indian philosophy of the universal brotherhood, a reality. I'm happy to inform that, and we are conducting the event in a hybrid format. That is, and we will have the movie screening in the auditorium as well as on the online mode. The registration is nearly the 2,200 delegates and screening of nearly 200 movies in the physical format. The really pleasant to sign the kickstart of this event.
The Union Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar announced that multiple Academy Award-winning cinematographer Vittorio Storaro will be awarded and honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award at the ceremony, while the Indian Personality of the Year Award will be awarded to the actor, director, producer Vishwajit Chatterjee.
फिल्म फेस्टिवल में 600 अंग्रेजी फिल्में आई, उसमें से 126 इसमें स्क्रीन हुई है और उसमें 85 फिल्मों का तो प्रीमियर है. 85 premieres in this Goa Film Festival is a huge story of success and importance which world gives for Goa Film Festival. भारत के भी 190 फिल्में आई, उसमें से 23 पैनोरामा में दिखाई जाएगी. जैसे इस साल कहा हाइब्रिड है, ऑनलाइन भी है, ऑफलाइन भी है. 7 थिएटर में फिल्में दिखेगी, लेकिन ऑनलाइन तो हर एक के लिए खुला है. इस साल का इंडियन पर्सनालिटी ऑफ द ईयर पुरस्कार बहुत प्रसिद्ध एक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टर, सिंगर इन हिंदी एंड बंगाली सिनेमा श्री विश्वजीत चैटर्जी को दिया जाता है. उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाइए. मेरे सनम याद करिए, नाइट इन लंदन याद करिए, शहनाई याद करिए, बहुत सारी फिल्में. तो एक बहुत महान हस्ती जिनका और भी गौरव हो सकता है, उनके लिए ये इंडियन पर्सनालिटी ऑफ द ईयर पुरस्कार दिया जाएगा. और ये पुरस्कार उनको प्रत्यक्ष जब फिल्म अवार्ड मार्च में या अप्रैल में होगा, तब ये पुरस्कार उनको दिया जाएगा. ये पहली मेरी पुरस्कार की घोषणा है. और अंत में मैं एक घोषणा करना चाहता हूं कि दैट द लाइफटाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड इस साल वित्तोरियो स्टोरारो इनको दिया गया है। इनको सिनेमाटोग्राफी के 3 ऑस्कर्स मिले हैं।
The festival will also pay homage to actors like Irfan Khan, Sushant Singh Rajput, Rishi Kapoor, Hollywood star Chadwick Boseman, among 28 other artists from the world cinema by showcasing their film. Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
COVID vaccine rollout began on Saturday across the country. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday kicked off world's largest COVID-19 vaccination drive. He spoke to vaccine takers at more than 3,000 centers across the country where the first shots were to be given. Here are the details.
India launched one of the world's largest coronavirus vaccination drive on Saturday morning, setting in motion of complex deployment pain and mind and stemming the widespread of the infection across the nation for more than 1.3 billion people. The PM's speech highlights were vaccination program based on humanitarian principles. Our doctors, nurses, medical and paramedical staff are eligible to get the vaccine before others. For the preparation of this day, we have conducted trials, dry runs all over the country. 2 doses of coronavirus vaccine are absolutely essential. Don't make the mistake of not taking the second dose. 2 weeks after the second dose, you will develop the power of combat corona. More than 100 countries in India have less than 300 crore populations. But India is vaccinating 3 crore people in the first stage itself. The world is looking at us with hope. Many countries will benefit from our experience. We are committed to help humanity with our vaccines. Both vaccination as well as safety measures must be continued.
Started with healthcare workers, and that is the most risk exposure तांकां सगळ्यांक चड आशिल्लें. During the COVID, we are directly exposed to the positive patients all these months. So first we are covering the healthcare workers. This phase will take some time to cover कारण आमचे प्रत्येक दिसा फक्त 100 बेनिफिशरी. आयज 8 सेंटर चालू आसा in Goa, 5 government and 3 private. So आयज 800 बेनिफिशरी आज मेळटले. But to cover all the healthcare workers also, we require some more sessions.
In between आता कोण emergency आसले तांकां कोण भायल्यान घेवचें ना तुमी?
It's not an emergency. Vaccination is not an emergency. Okay, it is like we are trying to build up the people's immunity by giving the vaccine. It's not an emergency. Right? We are giving it in this way so that the risk people are covered first. So on duty people who are having this COVID and other associated complications, they कमी करतात. So that is risk community is given first.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलाचे टोटल कितले बेनिफिशरीज आहेत?
डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलचे सध्या आमचे लिस्ट धाडिल्ले आसा 430 बेनिफिशरीज. वी आर स्टील अपडेटिंग मोर कारण थोडे अजून लिस्ट एक एक करून उरल्या. म्हणजे तो कोणे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जॉईन जाल्यात, कोणे थोडे रिटायर जावन नवे जॉईन जाल्यात, तांचे थोडेशे लिस्ट उरले. वी आर स्टील अपलोडिंग मोर. एट प्रेझेंट 430 बेनिफिशरीज लिस्ट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन.
While on the other hand, in Goa, Ranganath Baji, a health worker from GMC, received the first shot of COVID-19 vaccine jab on Saturday. The Union Minister Prakash Javadekar and Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant visited the COVID-19 vaccination center at GMC. In Goa, there are a total of 7 vaccine centers where vaccination drive was conducted and 700 health workers administered the vaccine on Saturday. It's a Goa 365 Bureau Report.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Please put the land on which they are living for centuries in their names. Also take back cases filed against people agitating on the Milaoli land issue back and reverse action taken against persons supporting the agitation. TV Gunja People's Movement for Social Justice made these demands on Saturday, even as AAP MLA Raghav Chadha visited Manauli and took pot shots against the Chief Minister and the Health Minister. Here's more.
The movement against the proposed IIT supposed to come up at Manauli succeeded in forcing the government to step back. However, Sattari residents say that the main issue still remains unresolved. And this is the land issue and the fact that people residing on this land for hundreds of years are still not the owners.
हो जो गावड्याचो पोर जाका आमी वयर काडपाचें इन्स्टेड आमच्या गव्हर्मेंट हावरटपणान ताजो जागोच गिळंकृत करपाक सोदता आनी हे माळावलेचे लोक आनी आज अशें दाखोवन दिलां की तांणी आमकां एक्चुली लिडरशीप कितें म्हणटा तीच दाखोवली 9 म्हयन्यांनी तांणी इतलें स्ट्रगल केलें की म्हाका दिसता हे पयलेच नाजाल्यार नायलॉन 66 नंतर दुसरेच फावट अशी घडणूक घडल्या की गव्हर्मेंटान मागार धरची पडली म्हाका खबर ना तो प्रमोद सावंत लिगॅलिटीची खबरी करता हांव म्हणटा हो जर असो एक लॉ आसा जाल्यार लॉ हो बदलूंक जाय हे तुका नाका आशिल्ले अंबानीक आनी अडानीक भारतीक पाक जाय तशें आपले लॉ बदलता तर लिगॅलिटीची आमकां खबर सांगनाका हो पयलीं लॉ बदलून हे जाग्या पयलीं ह्या लोकांच्या नांवार करूंक जाय म्हळ्यार ऑल्टरनेट स्पेस म्हळ्यार आतां खूब आसात ऑल्टरनेट स्पेसी वेर्णाच आसा म्हणून म्हाका सांगिल्लें आनी सांग्या आसा पूण मेन म्हणटा ते स्पेस डिक्लेअर करचे पयलीं लोकल लोकां कडेन उलोवणी करूंक जाय आनी तांची जर संमती आसा जाल्यारूच ती स्पेस डिक्लेअर करूंक जाय पयलींच स्पेस डिक्लेअर करून मागीर ऑपोजिशन हे न्ही कितें म्हणटा ते हे ट्रायबल्स आनी जे दलित त्या लोकांनी फुडाकार घेवन एक मुवमेंट करूंक जाय अवश्य आनी हांव ताका इल्लेशें आनी जोडटा ऑल प्रोग्रेसिव्ह फोर्सेस शूड कम टुगेदर all progressive forces and they must come together to wage a struggle for liberation, a second liberation of Goa. आम्ही जर सगळे मेळून खंबीरपणे नसत जाल्यार ह्या सरकाराक गोंयसूनच न्हू तर भारतांसून सुद्धा येणाऱ्या 2024 घरा धाडपाक शकता मोपाचो विषय मोपा शेतकरी संघर्ष समिती त्यांच्या जमनींचो विषय हा जायते हांगासर जायते जमनींचे विषय येयले म्हणून तो एक विषय सध्या ताजो आहा तांकांय आमी म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांनी मेळून सपोर्ट दिवपाची गरज आहा
जेन्ना हो विश्वजीत राणे लेटर बरयता प्रमोद सावंतान सांगता स्क्रॅप कर आनी आतां तो स्क्रॅप करता फायन तो शिफ्ट करपाक रेडी जाला हांव विचारूंक सोदता आमचे सावथान डेप्युटी सीएम आसा बाबू कवडेकर तो कितें करपाक लागला तो असली कित्याक चिटी बरयना अरे तुमी चिटे बरयले जाल्यार तुमचो सीएम आयकता आनी बँड डावन जाता जाल्यार बाबू कवडेकर should also write a letter and tell that we don't want double tracking, we don't want coal. Babu Kavdekar is even Philip Neri the asa, even तुझ्या बाबा शहान आणि क्लेफास ते असा म्हळ्यार आयज कळून येता की हे जे गेल्या ते लोकांच्या डेव्हलपमेंटाक लागून वचूं ना भाव भयणांनो हे आपले सेल्फ डेव्हलपमेंटाक लागून गेल्या इट इज टाइम फॉर पीपल टू नाव थिंक वी आर द वन्स हू हैव गिवन देम मैंडेट एंड दे हैव नो राइट टू सिट देयर
AAP MLA from Delhi, Raghav Chadha, went to Malaulam on Saturday morning. He met the locals out there. Speaking to media, he criticized the health minister and said that people who had his support were against what he called undemocratic and dictatorial tendency of the government. Watch. Irshad Sheikh with Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
Locals apprehended unknown persons dumping garbage at Lotoli Junction. The garbage was brought to the site in a small carrier rickshaw. Locals apprehended them and handed them over to the Mayana Kurtori police.
Locals arrest unknown person dumping garbage at Lutoli Junction. The garbage was brought to the site in a small carrier rickshaw. Locals apprehended them and handed them over to the Mayana Kurtori police. The incident took place on Friday late evening. Lutoli alleged that these culprits had come from Sakli village Panchayat area and wanted strict action taken on this.
क्या गीला गरम? कहाँ से लाए तुम? बिल्ला से लाया। पूरा नाम बोलो उसका।
सलीम बागवान।
सलीम क्या?
बागवान।
सलीम बागवान। वो किधर रहता है? वास्को। पूरा एड्रेस बोलो उसको।
गांव से आया।
नहीं, अभी तुम पहला वैन लेके आगे पहला तुम आया वैन लेके।
तो इधर से भागा क्यों तुम?
सर मैं डर के भागा देख के।
किसको डरा? किसको डरा?
लोग देखा तो
डरने का, भागने का? नहीं, तुमने बोला ना इधर भाई था आपका कोई?
इधर भाई नहीं, वो कमस।
अभी तुम पहले आगे आया था ना, वो किस लिए आया था?
आया था सर देखने के लिए।
क्या देखने के?
कोई है नहीं है।
और बाद में कोई नहीं है, वो देख के बाद में वो लोग को इशारा करके लाने का इधर फोन करके। अभी ये हमेशा तरीका है तुम्हारा, पहला आके देख के बाद में वो लोग आने का।
Ramesh Naik Raut from Lutolim.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Goa celebrated the feast of Saint Joseph Vaz on Saturday. Archbishop Reverend Philip Neri Ferrao said that the customary walking pilgrimage will take place on the first Sunday of Lent. And this time, due to coronavirus, SOPs will be strictly followed. The Archbishop was the main celebrant at the feast Vaz held at Old Church of Our Lady of Health in Sankwal.
Dobashik somoromnen banto gyok ami ailia.
The Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrao said they will not have any large number of people for walking pilgrimage as they are following the SOPs. This year, only few devotees could attend the Holy Mass as per the SOPs of Saint Joseph Vaz feast celebration. Watch.
आमच्या दोरम प्रांताच्या आस्कारेची बागेवन जुजेवाजाची दोबाजीक परब देखून आमी संतोसता. कोरोना व्हायरस हे भिरांकूळ पिडेक लागून निर्माण जाल्ले परिस्थितीक लागून सदांचे भाशेन जायत्या आमच्या लोकांक हांगासर येवन समोरमणेन वांटो घेवंक मेळ्ळें ना देखून आमी दुखी जाता. पूण लोक संपर्क यंत्रा उदेशी हे परबेचे समोरमणेन वांटो घेतल्या सगळ्या आमच्या भावां भयणीक आनी बागेवन जुजेवाजाच्या भक्तांक देवाच्या आशिर्वादान आनी कुरपेन भरलेली बागेवन जुजेवाजाची परब आमी हांव देतो. बागेवन जुजेवाजाची जिविताची देख घेवन आमी आमच्या दिसा दिसपट्ट्या जिवितान बरेपणाचे दूत आनी शांतीची हातयारां जावंक पावूया. The pilgrimage, walking pilgrimage as usual on the first Sunday of Lent, but of course we have to follow all the SOPs and therefore we will have limited numbers. It will not be with such large numbers that we had in the last few years. But the pilgrimage, walking pilgrimage on the first Sunday of Lent will take place here.
Yes, as you can see, the numbers attending the feast mass are small because all SOPs have to be adhered to. But people, wherever they are, the people of this village and the people of the state of Goa, even in their own homes, they are, participating in the Holy Eucharist. And yes, as long as the heart is there and the spirit is there, we are there.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 in Sankwal.
And now for some sports news. All matches are important for us, but the match against ATK Mohun Bagan on Sunday will be interesting. We have a great squad to win against the Giants ATK Mohun Bagan, FC Goa head coach Juan Ferrando said on Saturday. FC Goa face off with ATK Mohun Bagan on Sunday evening at Patorda.
At present, the Gods are on the third position with 18 points, while the Giants ATK Mohun Bagan are 2 points ahead on the second position with 20 points. FC Goa says it wants 3 points to consider a lead against ATK Mohun Bagan. Watch.
All the games for us is very important. Of course, tomorrow is it's a nice game because we play against a very good team, and for us it's a new opportunity to get 3 points and a good opportunity to continue to improve like a team.
Having played ATK already, and in the second leg, do you get an advantage to prepare yourself better in the second leg against teams that you have already played?
Okay. In second round, of course, all the teams will be better than the first round, but for us, it's very important. Not find a limit, all the games to improve, to change some details in tactical, to prepare different plans. In this we have more options. At the end, it's the most important is to find the best way for the players, the best way for the team. No, at the end, repeat. We have a very good squad. Of course, I'm happy because we can prepare the team or we can prepare the game with all the players. At the end, we take the best decision. Of course, it's very important all the fitness of the players or the feelings of the players, because some players are tired, some players are good. This is depend. But the last decision we take the last decision at 9 after the training, and the most important thinking like a team, who is the best players tomorrow against ATK. This is the most important for us. In pre-season, we work with all the players because for us, for example, in this week, it's difficult like a coach, because I don't have a lot of time to prepare against the game against ATK, and it's difficult to prepare with all the players with this game, but at the end, this is the schedule, this is the situation, and then we take the best decision for everybody. I'm happy because all the players are ready. I'm happy because all the players are working, not only the substitutions with, for example, players out of the squad. Of course, I want to give opportunity with everybody, but at the end, it's only possible to play 11. And in this case, all the time I'm thinking in the best for the team.
I feel good here, and it was easier to me to start playing this team because it's like a Spanish team, because the coach and also teammates, and for there it was easy.
Alberto, you think FC Goa is in a stronger position to face ATK Mohun Bagan in the second leg?
Well, yes, we are fighting for the top position of the league, and this is an important match that right now, if we beat them, we will fight for this position, and that's what we're thinking about. And yes, of course, that we are in good position right now, that we have to think about us, and doesn't matter right now the position. The important is in the finish of the league.
Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
And now for the weather. Dry weather prevailed over the state of Goa except for some slight drizzle in many places. There was no large change in minimum temperatures over North and South Goa districts. The lowest minimum temperature of 21.8 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panji.
Weather is very likely to be dry over the state of Goa during the next 5 days starting from Thursday to Friday. However, after a couple of days, temperatures will drop by a couple of degrees. There is no weather warning issued for the fishermen. The highlights are: the lowest minimum temperature of 21.8 degrees Celsius recorded at Panaji. Weather is very likely to be dry. No weather warnings for the fishermen. It's Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.